Have you ever wondered if your favorite healthy snack could secretly put your bones, heart, or even your medication routine at risk? Most people think pumpkin seeds are a harmless superfood, but for those of us over 60, a few small mistakes with these tiny seeds could quietly undermine everything you do to protect your health. Imagine waking up with unusual bloating and discomfort, or having your blood pressure spike for no clear reason. Or maybe, like many, you're trying to eat better only to find out your energy is lower and your digestion just won't cooperate. Research suggests that certain habits with pumpkin seeds, what you pair them with, how you prepare or store them, even which bag you buy at the store can have surprising effects, especially if you're managing thyroid issues, take blood thinners, or are simply trying to age with energy and independence. Here's something that might hit close to home. Mornings when climbing out of bed feels harder than it used to, or afternoons dragging through fatigue despite a healthy diet. Maybe you've felt off but can't pin down why. Could a simple snack be contributing? In one study, seniors who changed how they ate, certain superfoods experienced sharper concentration and more steady energy. But others, who slipped into small mistakes, saw new aches and even dangerous side effects. Is it possible you're missing a crucial detail with something as basic as pumpkin seeds? Have you ever noticed odd digestive issues, or a sudden dip in energy after snacking, and wondered if your healthy choices might need a little tweak? Let's take a closer look at the right and wrong ways to enjoy pumpkin seeds for lifelong strength and wellness. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's start by unveiling the very first mistake that trips up so many people: eating pumpkin seeds with the shell on. It's tempting to think that the crunchy, fibrous coating adds extra nutrition, but the reality for people over 60 is a little different. As we age, our digestion naturally slows down. Chewing strength isn't what it used to be, and stomach acid may not break down tough fibers as efficiently. In my own experience as a health expert, I've seen many seniors reach for a bag of unshelled pumpkin seeds, not realizing that the hard shell is packed with insoluble fiber that your digestive system struggles to break down. In fact, some studies suggest that too much insoluble fiber can cause bloating, cramping, and even constipation problems you're probably already trying to avoid. But there's an even bigger issue hiding here. That tough outer shell doesn't just strain the gut, it prevents your body from absorbing the nutrients inside. Harvard researchers highlight that magnesium and zinc, both crucial for muscle, bone, and immune health, are lost when pumpkin seeds are eaten unhulled. The numbers are striking. Absorption may drop as much as 40%. So, you may be eating pumpkin seeds for strong bones and muscles. But if you skip this simple step, you're missing the real benefits. Think back. Have you ever snacked on pumpkin seeds and felt your stomach fight back? Or noticed that your energy didn't improve as much as hoped? You're not alone. Try switching to the green, shell-free seeds, sometimes called pepitas, at health stores. They taste just as good, support easier digestion, and unlock all those core nutrients that help you move and feel young. If you prefer to eat them with shells every now and then, chew thoroughly. Keep serving small, and hydrate well to help your body process the fiber. Now let's move to mistake number 2, skipping the soaking process. You might reach for a handful of pumpkin seeds, eager for a healthy crunch, but there's an invisible barrier inside raw seeds: phytic acid. This compound, found in many plants, is notorious for binding tightly to minerals like zinc, magnesium, and iron, sending them right through your system unused. Unfortunately, older adults are already at increased risk for deficiencies in these minerals, leading to weak bones, muscle cramps, and daily fatigue. Some researchers observe that soaking seeds before eating can reduce the impact of phytic acid, making nutrients more available and easing digestion. Do you ever find your stomach protesting after a seemingly simple snack? One older friend told me, "I thought I was doing everything right, but my stomach never felt good after eating seeds." That changed when she started soaking her pumpkin seeds overnight. The difference was immediate: less bloating, smoother digestion, and noticeably more energy. Here's how you can do it. Simply let your seeds sit in clean water for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Drain, then toast lightly if you want extra flavor without extra additives. Think of it like softening dried beans for easier eating, a tiny step with a big payoff for your well-being. Mistake number 3 sometimes sneaks up through clever packaging. Ignoring hidden additives in store-bought pumpkin seeds. You might glance at the bag and see only pumpkin seeds, but many brands add oils, salt, or even sugar to boost flavor and shelf life. In one study, popular snack seeds were found to contain as much sodium as many potato chips, a real concern for anyone managing blood pressure. Additional flavorings or preservatives can spike your blood sugar or upset your digestive system, especially if you already have sensitivities. Imagine reaching for what you believe is a healthy snack, only to find it makes you feel sluggish, bloated, or hungrier an hour later. The solution is simple but vital. Always check the label. Look for seeds labeled raw, unsalted, and additive-free, or buy them plain and season them at home, perhaps with a sprinkle of cinnamon for blood sugar support or turmeric for joint health. This way, you know exactly what you're eating and can avoid hidden sugars, salt, and processed oils that undermine your efforts. Have you ever tried a flavored snack food, only to feel worse after? What hidden ingredients could be tripping you up? Next time you shop, grab a bag with the shortest ingredient list. You'll notice the difference. Now, mistake number 4 is all about the hidden impact on thyroid health. Did you know that the minerals in pumpkin seeds, zinc and selenium, are both powerful and potentially problematic? They're vital for immunity and hormone balance, but too much of either can upset your thyroid, a gland critical for energy and metabolism. If you have a thyroid condition, especially hypothyroidism, eating large servings of pumpkin seeds regularly may quietly tip your mineral balance and make symptoms worse. In one case, a woman in her 60s swapped her snacks for daily pumpkin seeds and began struggling with sluggishness and hair loss. Her doctor discovered her mineral levels had shifted, reducing the effectiveness of her thyroid medication. For you, the takeaway is clear. Moderation matters. 1 ounce, about a small handful, a few times a week, gives all the benefits without overwhelming your system. Pair your seeds with foods rich in iodine, like eggs or yogurt, to keep things balanced. Curious if your daily snacks might be setting back your thyroid? It's a common pitfall, one that's easy to fix with a quick tweak in your routine. Shifting gears, let's look at mistake number 5. The risk for anyone with low blood pressure. Pumpkin seeds are often called a heart food thanks to magnesium and potassium that help lower blood pressure. That sounds great unless your numbers are already on the low side or you're taking medication. In my work with older adults, I've seen more than one person whose love for trail mix loaded with pumpkin seeds led to sudden dizziness, fatigue, and even risky falls. The reason: pumpkin seeds help relax blood vessel walls, which is good in moderation, but too much, especially alongside blood pressure medication, can send your numbers plummeting. Mary, age 71, was a perfect example. After adding several handfuls of seeds to her routine, she experienced lightheadedness every afternoon. Scaling back to a tablespoon a few times a week brought her back into balance. If you're on medication for blood pressure, check with your doctor and keep portions small. Pair your seeds with hearty whole grains or lean protein to stabilize your energy and circulation. Think about it. Could a simple snack push your blood pressure too low? Keep your servings modest and always pay attention to how you feel after new foods. Next comes mistake number 6, often overlooked but critical for anyone on blood-thinning medication. Pumpkin seeds naturally contain compounds that help prevent dangerous clots. However, if you're already on prescribed blood thinners like warfarin or aspirin, combining the two can raise your bleeding risk to unsafe levels. The Mayo Clinic has advised that combining foods with anticoagulant properties and medications can sometimes lead to excess bruising, slow healing, or even internal bleeding. Consider the cautionary story of Robert, 68, who started eating a handful of pumpkin seeds every night while taking warfarin. He soon noticed frequent bleeding gums and dark bruises he couldn't explain. Once he limited seeds to just a teaspoon twice a week, the risks vanished. If you're managing heart health with medication, stick to small amounts and check with your provider before making pumpkin seeds a daily snack. Have you noticed unexplained bruising or slower healing? Sometimes the answer lies not in your medicine cabinet, but in the foods you enjoy every day. Now that we've addressed medication risks, let's talk about mistake number 7, improper storage. Pumpkin seeds might look tough, but their oils and nutrients are sensitive to air, heat, and moisture. I've heard countless stories from people who opened an old bag, only to find the seeds taste odd, smell unpleasant, or feel greasy. It's more than just flavor. When the oils in pumpkin seeds go rancid, you lose valuable nutrients and gain compounds that actually stress your body. Research suggests that seeds exposed to air and warmth can also develop mold, which is especially concerning for older adults with weaker immune systems. The solution: always keep your pumpkin seeds in an airtight container, away from heat and sunlight. If you plan to use them slowly, refrigerate or freeze them for maximum freshness and safety. Seeds stored right keep their crunch and nutrients for months. If you've ever bitten into a bitter seed, you know how unpleasant spoiled food can be now. You know how to avoid it entirely. Before you move on, check your pantry. Are your pumpkin seeds airtight and cool? This tiny fix can protect your health and make every bite count. Finally, mistake number 8, eating too much of a good thing. Pumpkin seeds are calorie dense, with healthy fats and plenty of nutrients, but the calories add up quickly. A single cup packs over 500 calories and a large dose of fat. For seniors, metabolism slows and it's easy for a healthy snack to tip the scales, contributing to stubborn weight gain and putting extra stress on joints and the heart. Remember Robert? After introducing handfuls of pumpkin seeds every day, he gained 12 pounds in a few months, mostly around his middle. When he scaled back to a few spoonfuls per week, his weight and energy improved. The answer for most adults is just 1 or 2 tablespoons daily, paired with fiber-rich vegetables or fruit, so you stay satisfied without inertia or heavy digestion. Is it possible your healthy seed routine could be undermining your fitness goals? Small tweaks go a long way. Try mindful portions and see how your energy and waistline respond. Let's recap what you've learned, because every small change matters. Eat your pumpkin seeds without the shell. Soak them when you can. And always check the label for sugar, salt, and preservatives. Watch out if you have thyroid concerns, low blood pressure, or take blood thinners. Moderation is your friend. Store your seeds in airtight, cool containers, and keep your serving sensible, so you get all the heart, bone, and brain support without hidden dangers. Pumpkin seeds don't have to be a risk for aging well. With a few thoughtful changes, they become your ally, supporting your muscles, mind, and immune system at every stage of life. Remember, the difference between a healing food and a harmful one is often just a matter of a few simple habits. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 50 pounds. And check out this next video on reversing insulin resistance to go even deeper. If you've ever felt tired or struggled with bloating after 50 bouts, this channel is for you. Your health journey is in your hands, and together we'll make every bite count.